Welcome to Thrice Learning. Hi kids, it's me again, Teacher Jasmin. For today's lesson, you're going to learn about the letter X. This is the uppercase X. And this is the lowercase x. Letter X makes the sound X. X. The following are words with the sound X. Ox. Ox. Axe. Axe. Fox. Fox. Box. Box. Sax. Sax. Six. Six. Mix. Mix. Pox. Pox. Tax. Tax. Wax. Wax. Taxi. Taxi. It's thinking time. Match the word to its correct picture. How did you find our lesson today? Can you still remember the sound of letter X? If yes, say it with me. X. X. Good job! This has been Teacher Jasmin, always reminding you to practice reading daily. See you again next time. Bye!